gonna try to catch this little banjo shark by hand. Alright, here we go. Got him. Got him. There you go, how about that? Oh, how cool is that? Oh man. Oh, what a cool thing. All right, Bob, we just wanted to get a look at you. This is a banjo shark. It's a skate. It's related to the stingrays, but they have no spine or spike on them, so they've got no stinger. So you can handle them safely. Some people do eat them, but for the most part, fishermen generally consider them a bit of a pest. They end up really tangling up some lines or taking bait. But yeah, I just wanted you to get a look at this one, and now we'll take it and we'll put it back. What a cool creature though.